Looking to transform your property after dark? Outdoor Lighting Perspectives can help. Since 1995, we've been the experts in low-voltage, architectural, and landscape lighting. With over 175,000 clients nationwide, no one does it like us. In fact, lighting is all we do. And as trends in the lighting industry have evolved, so have we, offering the best techniques and products possible. From traditional curb appeal and landscape lighting, to the newly popular bistro and color-changing lighting, Outdoor Lighting Perspectives has you covered. Each of our systems starts with learning more about you. During our initial design consultation, we'll discuss your unique needs and goals. From there, our experts will create a custom design plan to highlight all the best features of your property. Our installation process is our time to really shine. Our professional installation team is thoroughly trained and will pay attention to every detail. We'll perfectly position our premium LED fixtures and make sure any wires are buried or hidden. When we're finished, we'll clean up and leave your property in better shape than when we found it. And we stand behind our work through extended warranties and maintenance. For every system we install, we include 12 months of free maintenance to ensure it's always shining as bright as it did the day it was installed. With ongoing service, maintenance, and upgrades for years to come, we'll keep your property shining bright night after night. So whether you're looking to enhance your nighttime curb appeal, highlight your landscape, or need service on an existing system, you can count on Outdoor Lighting Perspectives. Contact us today for a complimentary design consultation.